how to make money on Upwork as an email marketing specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. And here, make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on create my account. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here, enter your email, continue with the email, and then enter your password and then log in. And after that, you'll proceed to create your profile. So this is the last step of creating your profile. So let's go back to start from the beginning, to start from the first step. So here, let's go back. And this is the last step of creating the profile. So let's get started. And here we have a question and we have 3 answers. So let's choose one of these answers, the answer that fits our situation. So the question is, have you freelanced before? Choose one of these answers, then click on next. Then for the second question, what's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose again one of these answers, then click on next. And for the last and the third question, how would you like to work? For my advice, make sure to choose all of these answers. But if you're not interested in my advice, you can choose the one that fits you. And then click on next to create a profile. So here you have 3 options in order to create your profile. You can either import your information from your LinkedIn profile, or you can upload your resume if you have it in a file on your desktop, or you can just fill it out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be 15 minutes. So I'm going to go with the third option, start a new profile. And here, enter your skill, which is email marketing specialist. Then click on next to add your experience. So here, click on the plus button to add your previous work experience. After that, you proceed to add in your education history. So here, you add your education history, school, degree, field of study, and so on. And after that, you proceed to add in the languages. So here, English is a must in the platform. You cannot work in here without English. So here you choose your level in English. My level in English is conversational. And then if you can speak other languages, you can add them. For example, I'm going to add 2 more languages. It's not just an example. I can literally speak these languages. So the second language is my native language, which is Arabic. And the third is a language that I've studied in school, which is French. And here I'm going to choose my level, native and basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here they've already suggested some skills for us, like email marketing strategy, email marketing, and so on. And the maximum is 15 skills. So make sure to use that wisely. So here I'm going to go with email marketing strategy, email marketing, email, and email communication. Then click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio. As you can see, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and enter, I'm an email marketing specialist. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very decent bio. You will just need to add some personal information to it, and then copy and paste it in here. For me, I'm going to take Marty's bio and paste it in here, because going to ChatGPT will make the video very long and you will get bored watching it. So I'm going to settle for this. Then click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for a category in here. You can select more than one, or you can just choose the suggested one, which is digital marketing. And then click on next to set your rate. So here you can choose your hourly rate. I'm going to go with $30 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you can add your location information, country, street address, and so on, and your date of birth as well in here. And for your photo, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with creating your profile, follow the strategy I'm going to show you in order to improve the profile of yours to attract as many clients as possible. So guys, basically the strategy is I'm going to search for my competitors, the same people that are doing the same skill like mine, or people that are offering the same skill like mine, which is email marketing specialist. And we're going to look for the highest earner amongst them. Then we're going to see what makes him stand out in the competition and what makes clients pick him, and then we're going to implement what is he doing differently to our profile. So I'm going to show you how you can find the highest earners. So here, this one we have, he earned more than 800 grand. Let's see if we can find someone who earned more than that. So here, $900,000, and she gets paid $30 per hour. This is our highest earner for now. Let's see if we can find someone with more than $1 million. I don't think so. So we're here in the fourth page, and I think $900,000 is the highest someone earned in this category or in this skill. So yeah, let's go back. That's our highest earner. So we're going to imply our strategy on her. And I think you get the idea, guys. You'll just need to see what you see doing differently than the others and try to implement that to your profile. And guys, if you want to find more work easily in this platform, just go to find work in here, click on find work for your skills, and enter your skill in here, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for someone with your skill, and then you can apply for the jobs. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.